Instructions for maintenance of gasoline generator Huu Toan HG15000SDX. Hi everyone. The generator is a device of great value which is indispensable in the application of technical information of the frontline technical force when base transceiver station loses power. Proper maintenance helps the generator run stably, increases life expectancy, and reduces fuel costs. The following video will guide you how to maintain Huu Toan HG15000SDX gasoline generator model to meet technical standards and optimize processing time. To maintain the generator, we need to prepare the following tools and equipment: screwdrivers, wrench set, wrench socket with T-handle 8, 10 mm, 6-point sockets, size 17 mm, spark plug tools 22 mm, brush, towels, funnel, measuring cup, diagonal cutters, needle nose pliers, locking chain pliers, digital clamp meters, fuel filter, air filter, oil filter, grease, industrial, gasoline, spark plug, multi-purpose lubricant, spray paint, black, red, white, zip ties, lubricating oil. 1. Check for guaranteed conditions. Clean and tighten the battery terminal wire. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage of the battery. Measure battery voltage. It must be 12 to 13.8 VDC. Check the charging current of the battery. After checking the guaranteed conditions, you start the generator and measure it when in the state of the no-load mode and when in the state of loaded mode, according to the following parameters on the controller: voltage equal to 220 volts plus or minus 2.5%, frequency equal to 50 Hz plus or minus 5%. 2. Maintenance and cleaning of the electricity system. Before checking, we proceed to turn off the generator, disconnect the power, remove the battery to ensure electrical safety during maintenance. Notes: when removing the battery, remove the negative wire before the positive wire. When reassembling the battery, reassemble the positive wire before the negative wire. Use T8 to unscrew the screws one by one and open the dashboard. Check for switches, sockets, power plugs. Check the contacts of the electrical system, tighten the contacts, use zip ties to fix the wire neatly. Use a brush and wiper to clean inside the box. Reinsert the dashboard into the body of the device. Use the wrench type 10 to turn the screws on the protective cap of the capacitor. Open the lid to check the connection points, tighten the capacitor contacts. Measuring capacitor parameters. This parameter should be approximately 35 to 40 microfarad. Measure coil resistance. This parameter should be approximately 1 to 1.3 ohm. Re-plug in the capacitor contacts. Use anti-static dust brush and wiper cleaning inside the capacitor compartment and protective cap. Tighten the string with zip ties. Then reassemble the protective cap of the capacitor compartment. Engine maintenance. Use a screwdriver to remove the protective cover of stator windings. Cleaning the stator winding and using industrial grease into ball bearings. Then reassemble the coil protection cap. Check, clean, tighten screws for motor, starter motor, maintenance carburetor, air filter. First, you have to lock the gas valve and then remove the gasoline wire from the valve. Use T10 to remove the screws on the cap one by one. Then lift the gas tank out. Remove the air filter. Remove the air filter box to continue removing the carburetor. Remove the gas pipe, solenoid wire, windpipe in carburetor, speed regulator, choke control. Remove and clean the carburetor. Remove the plastic cover to clean inside the carburetor. Proceed to remove the relay. Be careful not to dent the relay. Unplug the solenoid wire. To remove and clean the main jet, in case the load is difficult to remove, use RP7 to spray into the main jet. Use multi-purpose lubricant RP7 spray on the gasoline lever and air lever. The rust points, use needle, clear the holes of the main jet. Then clean with gasoline again. Clean the cup of gasoline with gasoline. Clean all carburetors again. Cleaning the relay and checking the rubber gaskets. After cleaning, reassemble the carburetor. When reassembling the carburetor, insert the spring on the correct black lever to ensure that the machine operates evenly. Clean and align spark plugs and valve. Use the pipe removing spark plug size 22 and the T10 to remove spark plugs and valve caps. Align the valve, so that the compression side is tight, the discharge side is looser than the compression side. Cleaning the spark plug. Adjust the gap at the top of the spark plug so that the gap is guaranteed to be about 0.7 to 0.8 millimeters. Notice about the color of the spark plug. Spark plug with yellow-brown color. The generator operates normally. Spark plugs are black and dry. The carburetor in the engine has a problem. Spark plugs are black and wet. Oil entering the burning cylinder produces soot clinging, piston ring clearance. Spark plugs are white. The engine operates overheating due to the spark plugs not suitable, different from the machine. 5. Replace the machine oil and check the filter. Use the oil tray placed under the oil drain. Open the oil drain plug. After it has done, screw it back to the specified tightening force, using locking chain pliers to remove the old oil filter. Then reinstall the new oil filter. Use the measuring cup and replace the oil with the engine according to the set norm. Check the generator's viscosity. If it reaches 2/3 of the upper and lower limit of the dipstick, it is okay. Check the operation of the viscosity sensor and the sensor connection line. Use pliers to remove the sensor connection line at the 2 gasoline filters to replace the new gasoline filter. Check the fuel pipes, the fuel lock and tighten all the clamp. Clean the entire casing, body of the machine. To clean the fan, it is necessary to remove the battery and battery rack, then remove the protective fan cover. Use a brush to clean the blower cover, and internal compartment. Then proceed to reassemble the battery cover, battery rack, and battery in the body. Remove the exhaust pipe cover, housing, Clean and check the exhaust pipe. Clean the air filter box and change the new air filter. Clean the fuel tank and clean the gas valve. Clean and repaint the entire cover of the fuel tank. Reassemble the fuel tank and connect the fuel lines. And then fill up with new fuel. Checking and maintaining wheel system, anti-vibration rubber, clean again by RP7. Clean all generators, clean, repaint rusted areas. Test run after maintenance is complete. After performing maintenance, test generator when in the state of no load and when in the state of 100% capacity of the machine. Measure the parameters of voltage equal to 220 plus or minus 2.5%, frequency equal to 50 Hz plus or minus 5%. Clean up the scene after the maintenance, recorded in the test records. Notes on the maintenance of generator. 1. Replace oil filter after 200 hours of running, air filter after 300 hours of running, fuel filter 300 hours of running transit. 2. When reassembling the carburetor, put the spring in the black thing to make sure the engine is running smoothly. 3. Check for electrical leakage at the workplace before starting the maintenance. 4. The norm of Huu Toan HG15000SDX machine is 1.9 liters. 5. Periodical maintenance 6 months, one time operating in backup mode. 6. Large maintenance transit 12 months, one time. 7. The maximum maintenance time is 1.5 hours for one machine. 8. Clean up the scene neat and clean after finishing. Above are all steps for maintenance of the Huu Toan HG15000SDX machine. Hopefully this video tutorial will help you. For more informations, please contact phongktcn_VCC at viettel.com.vn. Good luck.